Let's now see what is a box plot. Now a box plot is a standardized way of displaying the distribution of data based on a 5-number symmetry. Summary. So what is it? Like, you get the minimum, you get the first quartile Q1, you get the median, you get the third quartile Q3, and the maximum. So in this way, the whole data is distributed in 5 terms, and that actually helps you to understand that how your data is distributed. So it can also tell you about the outliers and what their values are. It can also tell you if your data is symmetrical, how tightly your data is grouped, and how your data is skewed. So basically, Boxplot actually helps us to understand the distribution of the data, and in most cases, Boxplot is specially used to understand or to detect outliers in the dataset. So let's see how you can plot a Boxplot. So for that, first we are creating the figure and axis. So here is plt.subplots. Okay. Then let's create the boxplot. So you have already a function called boxplot. You can use that. Boxplot. So the first argument passes a dataset that you have in D. Then the positions. You need to pass the positions where you want to put your box plots. Let's keep it to 4, 6, and then the width, width, widths. Okay, so width is 1.5. Then keep the patch artist as true. You can also ignore other arguments, and yes, it will work. Okay, so let's now copy that part. You already this one. Okay, so using this part, you can actually put it right here. This will actually help you to manage the extreme, volume, extreme, whitings and all. Okay, and now we can do the plt.show. Let's see. Okay, so it's a spelling mistake. Oh, okay. Now see, you have your box plot over here, and these points, what you see, these are actually the outliers. The outlier data is marked over here, and the whole data you can see is grouped in this way.